Alright, here is a video on OFA Group, new IPO, formed here on my chart here, 5/21/2025. He had a big wick all the way up to close to 10, pulled back in May, went sideways to 5, then we went all the way down to this 2 level. Then you had a wedge form from the high and the low, a squeeze, but it didn't really go up like you'd think of falling wedge. Here's the one line. So it hovered this one line back and forth, pretty tight candles, talking sideways. But what do you notice here? This is an ascending triangle. The break of 2 is what you're looking for. And look what happened on Friday. You're talking low is 196, high 279, a perfect move, 36% plus. Stochastics low to high, deep 0 to 10 is extreme hot zone to buy. And there it is. You go all the way to 80, pull back, and then you bounce right back up. So this is a very strong day. Let's look at the 5-minute. What it did here, you're talking over 210, 220, 230, the break at 240, and after hours 278. Now the weekly chart, this is new. There's no indicators, nothing here. You're just seeing down green candles. We go up. See the 4-hour. 4-hour, you can see here the ascending triangle down, going back and forth. The lows getting higher. It went above it, came back, and then the breakout. See the 1-hour, it's a little better. You go all the way down to close to 1. Then you had the break of 125 was good to 175. 175 to 250, came back into the triangle, and then he finally broke out. So, interesting chart here, new IPO. Pretty classic move down, falling wedge. The low gets higher, you start to go up, and then you have a big breakout of 278 on Ofal. Now, I don't know much about this. Let me look up on my other chart here. Ofal Group, what is this? 36 million market cap, insiders own 62%. It's always good. Float. Shares outstanding 13, short float 5 million. What do they do exactly? Architectural services, design, fit out services for residential buildings. There it is. Look where it's from. Incorporated in Shawan, Hong Kong. So it's another one of these pump stocks. I don't trust anything China, Hong Kong. So you gotta be aware of that. And you can see here news, non-binding letter, attempt to acquire controlling stake in Aspire Homes. And that was the news here. Acquire controlling stake, so that's important. So, relatively new chart, and we'll see what happens with this on Ofal. But a good move, technically a good move, and we'll see if this keeps going into next week. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Mike J Trades on X, where else? Rumble, on Instagram, Mike Kim and Trades, TikTok, of course, Facebook. Check it out.